Okay, this one's going to take you through deleting records, so it's quite a quick one. So, okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add a new button to my form on FRM student, and it's going to be FRM student. There we go. So I'm just going to copy that one and then paste that, and then right click, properties, and then btn delete. Okay, so double click on that. Now, so I'm not going to write any code on that yet, but so in the student repository, I'm going to add this method here, which doesn't seem to be quite big enough in that. That's okay. Right, okay, so go student repository, and now I'm going to add a new method there called delete. So we're going to send in a student ID, simple as that. We don't even need to send in a record, just student ID, and then that gets deleted. Right, so I've got delete, there's my SQL, delete from TB student where student ID equals that. So that means now I've got a connection, I've got my command. I need a parameter though, because obviously that student ID there is going to be, it's going to get the parameter there is going to be that. So it's going to be whatever I send in, like 5. So essentially that gets replaced with 5. Open, execute the query. Right, okay. So there we go. That is all we need to do for that bit. And then it's just a case now of this one, these 2 lines here now. Okay, let's just chuck that in on my form student. No, I didn't rename that, did I? Or well, I might have renamed it, but I didn't change the text. So delete student. Okay, and then I'm going to paste that code in there. Right, so student repository.delete. There's the student ID I'm sending in. That's the important bit. And then I'm updating the forms just like I did before. So let's just quickly see if that works. So I'm going to go open student. I'm going to select the student I want to delete, which is Jeff Road. Delete. Gone. Okay, easy as that. Now I could put a confirm and to do that. Now all you got to do for that is essentially just type in Google here, yes, no, message box, C#, and there we go. So the first one on Stack Overflow is that one there. Okay, so basically you've got a dialog result equals message box, and you can just type in a message. If you say yes, you do something. If not, okay. So that is basically that form done. It's very, very simple, very easy. Okay, thank you.